Metals and non-metals. MCQ. Question first. Which of the following properties generally not found by metals? तो क्या होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, डलनेस. Metallic structure is the characteristic features of metals that is due to presence of free electrons. Question number 2. The ability of metals to be drawn into thin wires is known as ductile. Option A. Ductile can be defined as the property of metals drawn in the thin wires by application of force on them. Question number 3. Aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which of the following property of aluminium are responsible for the same? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ. फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ क्या है? गुड थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी और हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. Some of the most common properties of aluminum are good thermal conductivity, malleability, lightweight, and high melting point, which make it useful for cooking utensils. आरआरबी ग्रुप डी में क्वेश्चन यहाँ से हर शिफ्ट में आ रहा है, तो इस वीडियो को देख के आप एक नंबर पूरा कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल्स डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद कोल्ड एज वेल एज हॉट वाटर? तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, आयरन. Explanation. Na, Ca and magnesium are reactive metals and quickly react with water at room temperature. The reaction of iron is very slow, but red hot iron react with steam to form Fe3O4 with hydrogen gas. तो 3Fe plus 4H2O से बनेगा Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Question number 5. Which of the following oxide of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with steam? तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, Fe3O4. Prolonged heating of hot iron with steam form Fe3O4 with hydrogen gas. तो 3Fe plus 4H2O से बनेगा Fe3OH plus 4H2O. What happens when calcium is treated with water? तो क्या होगा? तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर डी, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्या है? इट रिएक्ट्स लेस volatility with water या bubbles of hydrogen gas form stick on the surface of calcium. Explanation. Calcium react less violently with water, producing the bubbles of hydrogen gas along with calcium hydroxide CaOH का होल स्क्वायर. Ca plus 2H2O से बनेगा CaOH2 aqueous plus H2. Generally, metals react with acid to give salt and hydrogen gas. Which of the following acid does not give an hydrogen gas on reacting with metals? Aspect, Mn and Mg. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी हो जाएगा HNO3. Nitric acid HNO3 is strong oxidizing agent, so it does not give hydrogen gas with metals. As hydrogen gas is formed in the reaction, HNO3 oxidize this hydrogen on to water. The composition of aqua regia is. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, कंसनट्रेशन HCl, कंसनट्रेशन HNO3 3:1. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentration HCl and concentrator HNO3 in 3:1. Which of the following are not ionic compound? क्या नहीं है ionic compound? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. सेकंड क्या HCl, थर्ड क्या CCl4. Ionic compounds are formed by combination of cation and anion. HCl and CCl4 are formed by equal sharing of electrons between atoms in the molecule. Here HCl is a polar covalent compound and CCl4 is a non-polar covalent compound. Which of the following properties is not generally exhibited by ionic compound? तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, electric conductivity in solid state. Ionic compound can conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state due to presence of free ions. In solid state, no free or mobile ions are available for conducting electricity. Which of the following metals exist in their native state in nature? तो इसका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, सेकंड एंड फोर्थ. सेकंड क्या एल्युमिनियम और फोर्थ क्या Ag. Gold and silver are known as noble metals as they are less reactive and exist in their native state in nature. Question number 12. Metals are refined by using different methods. Which one of the following metals are refined by electrolytic refining? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. फर्स्ट क्या है? Au and Cu. Explanation. Alkaline metals are very reactive, so cannot refine with the help of electrolytic refining process. Silver article become black on prolonged exposure to air. This is due to the formation of option number 3 Ag2S. Silver metal react with atmospheric pressure compound like H2S gas and form black coating of Ag2S over surface. Galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating it with a thin layer of zinc. Explanation: zinc metal is used to protect iron surface from rusting. Question number 15. Stainless steel is very useful material for our life. In stainless steel, iron is mixed with Ni and Cr. Stainless steel are formed with the addition of high proportion of chromium and nickel to iron. Question number 15. If copper is kept open in air, it slowly loses its shining brown surface and gains a green coating. It is due to the formation of CuCO3. Copper react with moist carbon dioxide in the air and form green color basic copper carbonate. Question number 17. Generally metals are solid in nature. Which one of the following metals is found in liquid state at a room temperature? So option number D, Hg. At room temperature, mercury is found in a liquid state. Which one of the following metals are obtained by electrolysis of their chloride in molten state? तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्या है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड? तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्या, Na and Ca. Usually alkali and alkaline earth metals can be extracted by electrolysis of their salt in molten state. Generally non-metals are non-lustrous. Which one of the following non-metal is lustrous? Option D, iodine. Iodine is non-metal with lustrous appearance and existence in solid state. Which one of the following four metals would be displaced from the solution of its salt by other three names? Option number B, Ag. Least reactive metals can be displaced from its solution by other three metals. Silver is the least reactive out of the four metals. 2 ml each of concentration HCl, HNO3 and mixture of concentration HCl and concentration HNO3 in the presence of 3:1 were taken in the test tube labeled as A, B and C. A small pieces of metal was put in each test tube. No change occurred in test tube A and B, but the metal got dissolved in test tube C. The metal could be option number B and D, Au and Pt. A mixture of concentration HCl and HNO3 in the ratio 3:1 forms aqua regia, which with dissolved gold and platinum. And alloy is, alloy क्या होता है? Alloy is a homogeneous mixture. Alloy is a mixture of different metals or a non-metal is called alloy. An electrolytic cell consists of, electrolyte cell consists करता है option number B, third and fourth, positively charged anode and negatively charged cathode. There is a positive charge anode and negative charge cathode in the electrolytic cell. During electrolytic refining of zinc, it gets क्या मिलता है? It gets ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ये मिलता है डिपोजिशन ऑफ कैथोड. During electrolytic refining, the pure zinc metal is deposited on cathode. An element A is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element from the following. So Na, sodium is a soft reactive alkaline metal. Question number 26. Which alloy are homogeneous mixture of a metal with a metal or non-metal? Which among the following alloy contain non-metal as one of its constituent? So option number D, steel. ब्रास होता है कॉपर और जिंक से बना हुआ. ब्रॉन्ज होता है कॉपर एंड टीन से बना हुआ. एमालगम होता है मरकरी विद अदर मेटल्स. स्टील होता है आयरन एंड कार्बन. Which among the following statement is incorrect for magnesium metal? तो option number B, it reacts with cold water to form magnesium oxide and evolves hydrogen gas. Explanation: magnesium metals does not react with cold water but react with both hot water and steam to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Which among the following alloy contain mercury as one of its constituents? ऑप्शन हो जाएगा डी, जिंक एमलगम. स्टेनलेस स्टील Fe विद सी. एलनिको Al Ni एंड CO. सोल्जर होता PB एंड SN. जिंक एमलगम Zn विद Hg. Reaction between X and Y form compound Z. X loses electron and Y gain electron. Which of the following property is not found by the Z? तो इसको हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, हैज लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. Since Z is formed from X and Y by completing transfer of electrons, therefore Z should be ionic compound which must have high melting point and conductivity in molten state and usually occur in solid. Question number 30. The electronic configuration of three elements XYZ and X28, Y287 and Z282, which one of the following is correct? So option number D, Y is a non-metal and Z is a metal. Metals have 1 or 2 electrons in their valence shell, whereas non-metal have 5 and 7 valence electron. Here X has an octet configuration, so it should be a noble gas. Question number 31. All, although metals from basic oxide, which of the following metals from an atmospheric oxide? So option number C, aluminum. Some of the metals like aluminum metals forms amorphic oxide Al2O3, which can behave like acid as well as base. Generally, known metals are non-conductor of electricity. Which one of the following is a good conductor of electricity? तो इसको हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ग्रेफाइट. Graphite is one of the allotrope of carbon, which show layers arrangement of carbon atoms. The fourth valence electron of each carbon is free to move. That makes it a good conductor of electricity. Question number 33. Electric wires have a coating of an insulating material. The material generally used is PVC. An insulating substance is required to coat the electric wire such as PVC. Which one of the following non-metal is a liquid? So option number B. Bromine is a non-metal which exists in a liquid state. Which one of the following undergo chemical reaction? तो ये हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, CuSO4 plus Fe. According to reactive series, more reactive metals can displace less reactive metals from its compound. Fe is more reactive compared to copper, so it can displace copper from its compound. Copper sulfate, the reactive order for given metals is Mg से Zn, फिर Fe, फिर Pb, फिर Cu. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. वर्जन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर करेक्टर डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस रिफाइनिंग. तो ऑप्शन नंबर हो जाएगा बी. ये कॉपर आयंस आर लिबर्टी फ्रॉम पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एनोड एंड गेटिंग डिपोजिशन और नेगेटिवली चार्ज कैथोड. यदि ये आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो चैनल को लाइक करें. थैंक यू.